This brief video tutorial is to demonstrate how to use MySchoolBucks online to pay tuition for HSE classes. To begin, open your Chrome browser. Next, it is important that you go to this specific website, which is Fairfax adulths.fcps.edu. From this website, you will enter the MySchoolBucks by finding MySchoolBucks on the blue banner and clicking on it. We are trying to pay tuition, so we find the box that says FCPS Adult High School Tuition Payment. Put your mouse over View Details and click it. This opens up a basic information page. From here, you will fill in the amount of $80, which is the cost of tuition for the fall 2020. From the pull-down menu, the program you are registering for is HSE, which is an acronym for High School Equivalency Program. You're going to put your own name here and your ID number. Your ID number is unique to you. It can be found at the beginning of your student email. Lots of times people are finding their student ID number also written on the cover of your laptop. Next, choose day or night classes, whichever one is appropriate for your class. For date of appointment, you will fill in the first day of the term you are paying for. For this example, we're going to start in the fall of 2020, so the start date is going to be August. The month is 08. The day is 2/5, and the year is 2020. Choose the school that you would like to take classes at. I'm going to choose Plum. And the next step is made easier by going to Buy Now. We have nothing else we want to add to the basket, so we just want to pay for our tuition. This takes us directly to a payment page. And in the payment page, you're going to fill in your name, first and last name, your email address, and what type of payment you're going to make. Then you are going to continue using your own personal credit card to fill in the credit card number. This is your expiration date that will be unique to your credit card, the name on your card. This is your home address, your city, state, and zip code. After that, you will come down here and the continue button, if you filled in all of the spaces above correctly, will allow you to hit continue. When you hit continue, you will come to a page that will confirm that you want to pay it. When you confirm payment, your registration will go through and you will get a confirmation page. It's that simple. You've completed the registration payment part for fall of 2020. Second step will be sent to you as a form for registration.